Up until now, I've been using ModelUp for all of my textile models. It was pretty hard to set up, but it could fake the effect of that gradual brightness change within fabrics, depending on the angle you look at it. It's best visible in velvet, but most wools, cottons and even polyesters are behaving this way as well. If you want to add that nice, haptic, lifelike effect to your creations, you should now use the new Sheen feature added in V-Ray 5 for SketchUp. Sheen can be found in a default V-Ray material, but you have to switch to Advanced Settings first. It's right over here. Now, Sheen doesn't actually have lots of features, it's color and glossiness, pretty similar to the Reflection tab. Color is responsible for the color of the material at the extreme values. I'll go with totally white and lower the glossiness to, let's say, 0.9 to show you what's going on. By the way, black disables this effect completely. Now, look at those border areas in particular. The white color is visible there. Actually, whole surface of those socks are more or less reflective, but not in a way that reflect parameter would look like. With Sheen Active, they have that unique fabric feature I've been talking about. Lower glossiness values make it more shiny, velvet-like. I want my socks to be more like cotton, so I'll go with 0.95 for this one. You can add a map here if you want to crank the bumps up, but I think it's unnecessary. Also, I don't want that simple white to be seen through, I want something more sophisticated. So I'll copy and paste a diffuse bitmap here and just brighten it with color correction. Speaking of, if you are interested in color correction tool, be sure to watch my video about changing the color of the texture if you haven't already. Alright, I'm good to go with this one. Let's see how it looks at last. Fabulous! It took some time to render, but I think it's worth it. See how it looked like before and compare it with the result. It's actually uncomparable. Now that you know everything about Sheen, create some wonderful fabrics by yourself. Also, consider subscribing to ModelUp channel where you will find more tips from the SketchUp professionals. See you soon!